In this video, I'm going to show you can easily delete contacts from your phone book from that Telegram application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And if there are stuff you need to open up Telegram app. After that, tap right here to go to Settings. Then scroll down a bit until you find Privacy and Security. On the next step, we need to scroll down to the very bottom where we can easily find Data Settings. And on the next step here at the top, we can easily find Seeing Contacts option. So, first off, in order to stop syncing contacts from your phone book via the Telegram app, we need to deactivate this option just like that. And to remove the existing sync contacts, I recommend you to tap right here and delete sync contacts. And then right here to confirm it, hit Add Delete. Basically, guys, that's it. Save this video was helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button